tech gear can be very expensive. So when you're starting out trying to figure out how to get on YouTube or build your content, finding the right gadgets, it can be a little expensive. But here are 3 budget-friendly microphones that I've used to get me started in YouTube and also content creation and client meetings. So check this out and let me know what you think in the comments. How's it going, everyone? This one is the Rode Micro microphone, and this is actually the first one that I got when I started my YouTube journey, and I liked it at the time. It was very budget friendly, which was great, and I did have to buy a separate cable to then hook it up to the dongle, which the dongle then hooked up to my iPhone, but it all worked well once I had all the cables that I needed. So just 2 different cables that I had to buy, but other than that, it's great. I use it now as like more so a secondary microphone, and when I use my iPhone 14 to make videos, but if I'm using like a camera on the side, I will hook this one up to that camera, and then it just gives me a different angle, which is great. But yeah, I had no issues with it. And the only reason why I don't use it as my primary microphone is because I upgraded to the next microphone I'm going to talk about. But this one is the Micro, and again, for starting out, it worked well for me, and hopefully it works well for you. How's it going, everyone? So this one is the Rode Video Mic Go 2. And this one has been really good for me lately. And I actually recently upgraded to this one. And the reason why I did so is because I saw it and I figured, I need to improve my camera lens and improve my audio. But one thing that I wanted to do is my audio first. And so I purchased this one. This one's, I believe, around $100, still budget friendly, which is really nice. I do like that I can use USB-C from the microphone to my iPhone 14, so I don't have to use a separate cable or a dongle. It's just straight USB-C, and it connects really well. I haven't had any issues with it. It's been a nice upgrade for my YouTube videos lately, and I really like it. And so it's been working well. So I hope it works well for you. And if you have any other questions, it's pretty straightforward. I like how it attaches, like I said, to my iPhone 14, and it's been a nice upgrade for me. So let me know what you think. How's it going, everyone? The next one I want to talk about is a Samsung Q2U microphone, and this one has been a great addition for me. When I'm doing any client meetings, I hook it up to my USB port, and it works really well with like Google Meets or Zoom, and I don't have the need right now to use the XLR cord. I don't have a fancy camera yet, but this hooks up really good to my USB drive. So if you're in the market to getting one, Samsung Q2U is a great option. Like I said, it's budget friendly as well, so it's I think under $100 at this point, but it has been a great addition. I've never had any issues connecting with it. It's been clear for my clients as well. They've never had any difficulties hearing me when I'm using this, so it's been really good to have it. And like I said, I don't use the XLR cord, but hopefully in the future I will be able to once I upgrade my camera. But for now, this one is working for me, and it's one that I enjoy using when I'm on Zoom or Google Meets. So check it out. Let me know what you think. So question of the day, which microphone do you need to purchase in order to get started on your content journey? Thank you for watching. If you gained some insight from today's video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.